Hello. Oh, twin flames, how are you? Hope my videos are helping you, taking you deeper into your commitment towards your harmonious union. And today I'll be taking you through the topic of he is or she is not responding to my healing. Mm. It is like, I am doing all the work and my twin flame is not there with me. That feels like, God has given all the burdens of all this healing work to me. And then we just get frustrated and become very angry, and we literally at times feel like, why should I do all this thing when nothing is coming out externally. So fundamentally, the truth is, if you see from the universe perspective, there are fundamental laws of universe that always works. That always works. If you see the law of gravity, like you take anything, it will work. It will not see that it's a poor or that's a rich. Okay. And then law of karma, it's like cause and effect. It will not see poor or rich, boy or girl, whatever, like old or young, it will not see. Okay, if you are less like directly playing with fire, then it's going to burn you. That's the natural cause and effect phenomenon of law of karma. Then law of attraction. Law of attraction is like the vibration that you hold within yourself. That's exactly is going to get magnetized towards you. At times I feel like, it's good to just become a magnet rather than becoming a twin flame component. Okay, so let's try to maybe call it, let's become a magnet rather than calling it a component of twin flame, like a divine masculine or a divine feminine. So let's make it easy, so that you don't feel like it's a burden on you, like the healing work that you are doing that is bothering you, taking a lot of energy from you. So all my intention is that let's make it easy, so that you don't feel like it's a activity or it's like a exercise. You should come to a point that it feels like part of life, because more and more you heal, you are healing your soul, and you will ascend because your soul is releasing the baggage, and you will feel lighter, and you will rise up, and then becoming happy, joyful, and feeling bliss is going to be your natural state. You will reach there for certain. Okay, so maybe we just call it the process of becoming a magnet to attract everything, not only your twin flame, but everything. Okay, so how do you become a magnet? How do you become a magnet? And what exactly you are desiring here? You are desiring here that your twin flame should respond whatever you are feeling. Like when you are desiring harmonious union, your twin flame should be there to be in that vibration with your vibration. So how do you do that? How do you become, come to a place of the vibration? How do you know that you have reached that vibration? How do you know that you are you are craving, you are craving for a chocolate? How do you know that? Okay, and what do you do? What do you do when you are craving for a chocolate? What do you do? Okay, you can think from that perspective. So you just make it easy, if you because you will be able to attract everything when it becomes easy. Because in that process only, like if you can see, the size of the magnet, right? So if you are taking a smaller size of magnet, you cannot attract a iron which is heavy, right? So it's like that. So either you become a bigger magnet, okay, so that like equal or more than that, then you'll be easily able to attract that ion piece towards you, or reduce the size of the ion. So logically, what do you think? What is the right process? Do you really want to compromise on the things that you desire? Like, do you really want to like currently, if you are desiring to attract a 1 kg of magnet, and as you feel your magnetic forces are not that powerful, rather than aspiring to become more magnetic, are you going to give up on that power within you, or and just expect that let's give up on the 1 kg magnet, 1 kg iron, and then just let's go and attract a 100 gram of iron? That's like you are settling for somebody else other than your twin flame. Most of the people do that just because they don't feel they are worthy enough, they don't feel they have God, they don't feel they can become more powerful. They can become more powerful being with whatever the situation you are. You don't have to do anything. You can just heal yourself, because all your powers is within you. So the baggages that you are carrying, that is blocking your power. So once you release all those blocks and everything, you'll be easily come into your power. So don't try to see that 1 kg iron and feel that you are not powerful. And also from a spiritual perspective, uh, something that will come into your consciousness and you feel attracted towards it, that means that magnetic force is already there within you. Okay, so you don't have to give up, you don't have to compromise, not at all, not at all. So you just have to dive within you and see what is it that is stopping my magnetic power. How can I become more magnetic? Okay, so don't doubt your healing, don't doubt your healing, because only equal is going to attracted towards you. So it is just a just a reflection that there are still parts within you those are not healed, because it is not at all possible that you are holding a vibration or a magnetic force which is equal and more than the thing that you desire, and it is not going to be with you. That's a simple law of attraction that is applicable everywhere, all around the universe. So give up any belief that made you believe that you don't deserve anything, I should give up, it's not for me. you know so all those things are actually pulling you back and making you feel like you don't you are not worthy enough. And you also believe somebody else has like more magnetic power, and they can do it in a natural way. So that's why we all say, when you see that you are not able to have that vibration or that magnetic power within you, you build a relationship with God. Okay, because when you build a relationship with God, God is a source of abundant of energy. you know and once you establish your connection with God, it is like something like you have a bank. anytime you like okay, now I want like more force of love, so then immediately, you know, just log in and transfer more love into your vibration. Okay, so that establishing that connection is the only work that you have to do, and it flows naturally to you because God is unconditional. God doesn't discriminate between, you know, like I will give this one person because he or she has done something good to me, you know, like she has gone to temple and offered me a, you know, very good fruit or like very good size of banana, and she gave me, you know, smaller size of banana. It's not like that at all, I'm telling you. God doesn't discriminate if you have not even gone to temple, or doesn't discriminate the other person has gone to temple and donated gold. God doesn't do that. Okay, so if you are holding any such belief that you have not done something towards God, still you can, you know, establish the connection, because the connection happens within your heart. The connection doesn't happen you know, anything that you do externally. You know, you can establish your connection within your heart by doing mirror exercise through all your upset, and let that energy flow into you, you know. So if you don't feel that vibration within you and you don't see anything outside of you that you are desiring is not coming to you, it is just a point that you just have to strengthen your connection, open that channel. You know, the moment you open that channel, it will flow to you very naturally, and it will not discriminate how many times you have been to temple or not. Okay, so just establish your connection and just transfer all the vibration that you want. You want your twin flame, just open the channel for love and let that love from God flow to you unconditionally. Okay, and all that within your heart will feel like full of love, and with that vibration you will see your twin flame with you in harmonious union. That's so simple. So know your power, heal yourself. Your twin flame is desiring you like anything. Okay, so keep doing the work. I would like to see you, and you can subscribe my channel. I would like to share my experience and expand this knowledge. Thank you.